Huili Lock Company Limited was established in 2001, is a professional manufacturer of various locks located in Wenzhou, China. It is very convenient to visit us by train or plane. Our main products are intelligent locks, cam locks, cabinet locks, power switch locks, car locks, computer locks, window handle locks, die casting parts. Through years of development, we own 7,000 square meters factory houses. Monthly production capacity is about 500,000 locks. We provide OEM and ODM service. We set up mold workshop, die casting workshop, injection workshop, punching workshop, processing workshop, and assembly workshop. The production process of Huili Lock Company Limited, including mold design and manufacturing, die casting, stamping, injection, lathe processing, key milling, slotting, assembly, inspection, are all completed in-house, except electroplating. At the same time, Huili has also added a variety of inspection equipment for quality management, including 2D project, pull test machine, and salt spray test machine, which can meet customers' inspection requirements. Over the years, our products are well sold in mainland China. Also, we export to the United States, Germany, Poland, the United Kingdom, Italy, Australia, Japan, Malaysia, and other countries. Huili Lock adheres to the business philosophy of customer-centric, take honest as the foundation, and quality as the guarantee. We'll sincerely hope to cooperate with customers from all over the world. Welcome customers to visit us for further discussion.